Hello my dear students, myself is Chidanand. I am first degree black belt. Okay, and I am going to introduce my friend. His name is Vikram, and even he is a first degree black belt. So in this session, we are going to practice circuit training. We are going to discuss about the circuit training and combination kicks. Okay, along with the related exercises. So first we will start with the circuit training first. Okay, Chirit, Kyungi. Take one, hands down, attend up, repeating. Okay, or students so. I shall observe the tenets of Taekwondo. I shall respect the instructors and seniors. I shall never misuse Taekwondo. I shall be a champion of freedom and justice. I shall build a more peaceful world. Hands up. 5 tenets of Taekwondo: courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit. Jubi. So first I will explain what is circuit training. Okay. So some few weeks before we discussed already some angular kind of circuit training which we did like 4 marking and we did circuit training. So today the same kind of circuit training we are going to explain on the same spot without changing the space. Okay. So first circuit training in this circuit training first exercise I am going to show you. The first exercise is called push up. Okay. Show the point. You can see. You can put the palms down like this. So 1, 2, 3. So this is a push-up stand up. Okay. The second one is side sit-ups. Okay, feet apart. Okay, children, yes. Okay, 1. Up. Or you don't. Okay, sorry. Don't try side sit-ups. You can go for regular squats. Hands straight. 1. Regular squat. 2. Feet apart some more. Okay, feet apart some more. Feet apart. So here you can keep hands like this. Okay. And see how much wide your shoulder, that much wide you have to keep your feet up. Okay. So here 1, yeah, back straight, 2, the same in this direction. Turn this side. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. This is regular squat. Okay. And the third one is jumping jacks. Okay. So in jumping jacks, what you should do, you have to start. Third one is you don't go for jumping jacks. Third one you can try burpees. Okay. So you going to show burpees. Put your palms down. Okay. Okay. So you should be in this position. So when I say 1, you have to get up, jump and stretch your hand. Again you have to go back to this position. Okay. Ready? 1. Look up. Okay. You have to feel stretching this part. Feeling. Yeah. Okay. 2. Jump. Again back. Okay. 3. So this is called burpee jump. Okay. Stand up. Okay, children. So now, you play with the 4 exercises. Okay. One is push up. Second one is regular squat. Third one is burpee jump. Okay. And now fifth one, we will go for side stretching. Side stretching. After all those things, side stretching. Hands up, for stretching. Okay, no, like this. Okay, you have to put your palms down like this as possible. Don't put more pressure on your leg first beginning. Don't put pressure on your leg in beginning. Okay, so you have to go for this position. You have to go for push up. 1. Try to touch your chest to ground. Okay, in this position, try to touch your chest to ground as possible. Okay, 1. Look straight. 2. 3. Don't bend your feet. 4. 5. Again get up. Okay, now we are going to choose these 4 exercises. Okay, the first one is push up, second one is regular squat, third one is burpee jump, fifth one is side stretching. Okay, in that position you have to go for push up. So now here what we will do now? So we will go for set wise. Okay, set wise means first we have to go for 5 push up, 5 regular squat, 5 burpee jumps, and 5 push up into stretching exercise. Later you have to go for 10. After that you have to go for 15. After that you have to go for 20. After that again you have to come backward like 20 again, 15 and 10 and 5. But here we are going to show you only 5 and 10. That's it. Okay, the remaining thing, if you have more stamina, you can practice in home. Okay, children. So let's start. Okay, you can observe Mr. Vikram. Okay. You just okay. You start with the 5. Okay, 5, 10. That's it. After that again, you can remaining you can practice in more. Ready, Julie? Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 5. Next. Burpee jump. 1. Yeah. 2. Yeah. 3, 4. 5. Now, get up. Side split. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get up. Now again 10 push up. Last, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get up. Now squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back squat. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now burpee jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now you go for side stretch. Okay. Again same. You can observe to Vikram sir, his heart rate is increasing and body is also getting warm nicely. Now push up 1, yeah. Back squat 2, squat 3, 4, 5, 6, don't bend your knee. 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. And back, just relax yourself. Okay. Very, you can see, you can observe like body sweating and body getting warm faster, and even along with that, is going for stretching also. So this is the benefit of circuit training. Okay. So sir, last few weeks before we practice circuit training in different like place, we mark 5 points. In that we practice circuit training, or you can practice like this also on the spot. Okay. Hands with that. On the spot. Okay. Like this. So you saw that we did first 5, then 10, 15. Okay, like it is on you only perform only 10. So if you want more, you can perform. You can take your whole time, no problem. We are not telling that you have to finish in this time. In this time, no. It depends on your stamina or your strength. Okay. So I want, if you are doing circuit training like 5, 10, 15, you try to reduce your time. Okay. If you try to reduce the time every session or every practice, so like that you can increase your stamina and strength. Okay, children. So I hope you clear with the circuit training. So after this we are going for show you the side side sit-ups. Okay, feet apart. Okay, the side, you can see side sit-ups. Okay, 1. Okay, sit there. So you can see here when he is going for side sit-ups, you can see this, the toe is up straight like this, okay, perpendicular, and your knee should be straight here. Lock your knee here and you should not lift your heel. Try to keep your back straight. Okay, don't lift your heel. Okay, when I say 2, you get up and change to same that side. You can observe. He is feeling so tense here. He is feeling so stretching in this part. Okay, 3, get up and change. 4. Now 5, faster. 6, fully get up and sit. 7, get up and sit. 8. Yeah. Okay. So this is okay. After you cover this side sit-ups. Okay. I hope you clear with this side sit-ups. So even this also it depends on you. If you want to do more, you can do more. Okay. Here we are performing only 8. Okay. But we are just performing 8. If you want to do more, you can do. If you want to do more, you can do more side setups. But be careful, okay? If you're feeling tired, don't do more. Okay? You have to increase the number of sit-ups day by day. You can't do in one day many sit-ups. Okay? You have to day by day. If you today if you do 10, so after the 1 week you can do for 20, or you can go for 15. After 1 week you can go for 20, like that. You will increase your sit-ups. Okay? And now third, okay, one more example we are going to show you, that was side stretching. Hands on hip. Go for stretching. Okay. So wait, put your palms down. So I want, when you're going for stretching, stand. When you're going for stretching, you keep your hands like this, stretch. You go as much as possible as down like this. Okay, slowly go down, stretch, and you can put your palms down there. Okay. So you can see here, he is feeling so tense in his leg pain, especially inner thigh. Okay, yeah. Okay, don't bend your knee, and see, you can see he's keeping palms down like straight. In this position, you can go for push-up. So this will help you to increase your stretching. Okay. So one push-up. If you can't touch your chest to ground, you can touch your forehead there. Okay. So here, if you want to touch your forehead there, then you have to keep your hands in diamond shape like this. So this will be safe for you. Now you can touch your forehead to this hand. One, yeah. So here now he is feeling so tense in the inner thigh. I hope you feel tight. Okay. 2, 3. So once if you become good, if you want to increase some more stretching, if you want to increase some more effect, then you can open your hand like this. Okay, right here, and try to touch your chest to ground. 1. Again he is feeling more tense now. 2, 3. So like this you can increase your stretching children. Okay, I hope you clear this time. Stand up. Free your legs. Are you okay? Yeah. Free your legs. Okay, hands on hip. You can rotate your hip like this. Or forward and backward, both sides. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so like this you can increase your stretching. Now we are going to show you the front stretching. Okay, so same. Okay, hands on hip. You can keep your leg front and go for stretching as much as down, and put your palms down. Even here, when you are going for this stretching, the back is happening. Okay, we will show you in this view. Okay, so stretch now. Okay, so here you can see. So here you try to lock your knee, back leg knee, and try to keep your back straight, and you have to keep your toes up. Here when you are going for front stretching, here you have to feel the tense or effect in inner thigh here. Okay, and here also, here hamstring, this part of hamstring, and here upper. Okay, and this should be straight. Now in this position, try to touch your forehead to your knee. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this you can increase your stretching. Same, you will turn that side now. Okay, I want you to try as possible. Don't put pressure at a time together. On one day it's not possible. You have to do it regularly. You have to do this repetitions every day. Okay, lock your knee here. 1, you can see. 2. So along with this touching forehead to your knee, you have to go for stretch. You have to increase. You have to go down. You have to increase the stretching. Okay, 2, 3, yeah. Hands back. Free your legs. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3. Backwards or reverse now. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is okay. This is how you have to practice in home, children. Okay. So now we are going to show you combination kick. Okay. Jump. Okay. Right leg back. Fighting stance 1. Here. So this is L stance for a guarding block. Okay. This position you have to come for combination kick. Okay. So first going to practice, I will show you what is combination kick. Okay. Combination means you have to use different kind of kicks. Different kind of you have to add. You have to go for combination for different kind of kick, like front kick. You can go for more than one kick. You have to go for more than one kick. Okay. But you have to use alternate legs. If you use only one one leg, it will say consecutive kick like this, one, or this side two. It will become consecutive kicks. But in combination kick, you have to go for two. You have to use both the legs, or you can use you have to go for two kicks, more than two kicks. Okay, like this one, or more than one kick like this, or turning kick like that. Okay, so he is performing. He is going for first. Here we are performing front kick and side kick. Okay, ready? Front kick, ready. Here starts second block. Ready. Back leg front kick and other leg side. Ready? One, two. Yeah. The same in this view mode. Ready? Yeah. One, yeah. Two. Okay, come this side. Now same thing, he will go for one point, one combination. Okay. To be for example, yeah. Or else ready to go. Okay. Ready? See, jack. Okay, you can see you should not in combination kick. Okay, you should not go for this block. Okay, directly you can go for kick and kick. Then you can go for last one. Okay, then you can go for the landing. Understood? Kick and then land. Ready? Let's start landing block. See, jack. One, two. Yeah, very good. Okay, this is called. So this is combination. So first combination we are going to show front kick and back kick. Okay, front kick and back kick. First you show only back kick. Ready? One. Yeah. Two. Yes. Now front kick and back kick. Okay, on my count. Ready? One kick and two. Yes. Do slowly. Come back. Again, you can observe one more time. Okay, ready? One. Two. Okay, so here the front kick hitting tool is ball of the foot and the back kick hitting tool is heel. Okay, now he is same thing, he is going to perform in one count. Okay, C jack without any count. Okay, ready? Let's start batting block over one. Front kick and back kick combination. C jack. Jumping. Okay, come back. So same, now second one. Second one is called side kick and back kick. Ready? Over one. One. Yes. Two. Yes. Come back, Jumping. I hope you clear with this. Now same in C jack. Means without any count. Ready? For one. C jack. Jumping. Come back. So same again. Now we go for last one. Okay. The last one is called last combination is turning kick and back kick. Ready? Let's start by number one. One. Two. Come back. The same in C jack. Ready? One. Two. Yeah, very good. Come this side. Now all of three in C jack. Okay, he is going to show. So first you from here to there, you perform from there to here again. Come back. Okay. So you have to perform 1, 2 again from there 1, 2. Same thing. You will change the leg. So first you are starting with the right leg, then you start with the left leg. Ready? Front kick, back kick. Okay. C jack. 1, 2. Very good. Okay. Clear, children? The second one, side kick and back kick. See that. Very good. Not properly. Okay. Now last one, turning kick and back kick. See that. Very good. One more time. See that. Very good. Next. Jumping. Okay. Clear? I hope. Okay, children. Very good. This answer. Okay, children. I hope you clear with these combinations. So practice this combination in home. So you keep it in your mind. Your kick will become sharp day by day. Okay, by repetition. Okay, every day you need to practice nicely with more patience. Okay, and before going to this all the practice, you stretch, you warm up nicely and stretch your body nicely. Okay, and keep your body hydrated. Okay, drink water. Okay, and keep your body energetic by eating fruits and all, children. Okay, so after this you have to go for the cooling down exercise. Okay, only one exercise I am going to show you cooling down. Okay, just you can see here. Okay, come sit down. Okay, sit, keep your leg both legs straight. So here you take one leg in from the back side. Okay, you lock here this leg here behind. Now this, like this. Okay, so here what you should do when I say one, you have to touch here, touch one, touch two, and twist your front. Okay, 1, 2, twist, 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you're doing this, you feel stretching. Feel stretch here, yeah, and also you feel stretching, yeah, the same as possible. Okay, so this is when I say one, and hand should the left hand should go that side. Okay, so we start 1, yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now same change other side. Okay, I want to try this for 20 counts. Okay, slowly. So ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Very good. Hands at the back. Okay, children. So you practice nicely in home. Stay in home and stay safe. Clear? Kyunki? Most are back. Go to class icon and go to place icon. Bye, children. Take care.